The oil and gas industry is continually faced with challenges for exploiting oil and gas reserves. These challenges can only be met by companies with a global presence, with outstanding engineering skills, and with the experience and expertise in all of the disciplines required for high-integrity pipeline construction, used extensively for subsea oil and gas production, where reliability of the welds and coating is critical, and stringent performance requirements are specified. Pipeline Technique have responded to these challenges by providing innovative technologies, including outstanding welding, electron beam laser welding and cutting, robotic welding systems using state-of-the-art software programs to modernize traditional welding techniques and processes by integrating the latest in software development and microprocessor technologies. Pipeline Technique is one of the world's leading pipeline and riser welding construction companies, specializing in the provision of automatic welding services. We have widely used automated welding systems for pipeline construction onshore and offshore for a number of years. Our systems have been designed, tested, used and continuously upgraded for almost every type of environment, providing solutions for the most demanding welding challenges and capitalizing on our expertise and knowledge to safely and reliably deliver projects virtually anywhere in the world. The company's workforce reflects our international orientation, with personnel from British, Dutch, Spanish, Philippine, Angolan, Mexican and American origin. We source the most talented and experienced people for the job. The mixture of experience and talent and the development of the workforce through knowledge transfer programs and local content make Pipeline Technique extremely competent to deal with current and future challenges in the industry. And this tradition is still very much alive today and clearly reflected in our high level of investment in R&D and our strong team of engineers and technicians. Pipeline Technique is one of the world's leading pipeline and steel catenary, riser welding and construction companies, specializing in the provision of project management services, which include automated welding services, non-destructive testing and field joint coating. We are actively developing our global services, delivering them to our customers in Europe and the UK, the USA, West Africa, the Middle East, anywhere throughout the world where the oil and gas industry is faced with the challenge and demand for energy. The health and safety of the company's workforce and the protection of the environment are high priorities for Pipeline Technique. Through a range of procedures, initiatives and internal audits, safety is a constant feature at our work sites onshore and offshore. This project is ongoing at one of our sites in the northeast of Scotland. As an essential part of the Angolan BP Block 31 projects, it demonstrates our established work ethic of planning, organizing, harmonizing and delivery. It presented Pipeline Technique with a number of significant challenges that involve the use of our in-house design and developed automated welding system, HALO, to double-joint corrosion-resistant alloy-clad and carbon steel pipe to a critical acceptance criteria using narrow-groove weld bevel design. The project involved the use of cutting-edge technology to produce standards of welding quality that has moved the boundaries of excellence to a new level. Pipeline Technique are an international group with our headquarters situated in Huntly in Aberdeenshire. For the most part, the planning and risk assessment is carried out at our Welding Development Centre, currently located at Rothinorman. This welding centre forms the hub of Pipeline Technique's research and development activities and is staffed by a team of engineers and technicians who between them have a wealth of experience in the industry. Together with our clients, Pipeline Technique work to promote advancement of the welding process, supporting critical path activities, procedures and techniques to a level where there is a high degree of confidence. At the Welding Development Centre, each client can have at their disposal dedicated welding facilities on a continuous basis, staffed with engineers and technicians as required to meet their individual needs. Pipeline Technique are a fully integrated welding service provider, offering the complete package of engineering, welding, testing and coating onshore and offshore. Welding is the single most critical activity in the construction of a pipeline. And with the move into even deeper waters offshore, there are continually increasing demands being placed on the quality of the finished weld. Key to the company's success has been its ability to develop automatic welding procedures for pipelines and steel catenary risers, and to provide the specialist personnel, equipment and materials required to implement these procedures. Pipeline Technique will continue to train in computerization, automation and to create standard platforms for welding equipment, robot controllers, sensing devices and other automation peripherals. The future looks promising for welding. Pipeline Technique understand all of the technical and commercial issues which allow us to offer a tailored, designed service to match the requirements of any project and the specific needs of the client to make every job an outstanding success. Pipeline Technique is able to deliver within time and within budget, turning prospects into clients and turning clients into followers.